simple random sample of size 10 is obtained from a population with mean 68 and standard deviation of 16. Assuming the normal model can be used, we want to determine the probability of X bar is less than 72.4. It says this last sentence because of the sample size of 10, and we do not know the shape of the underlying population. But since we're assuming the normal model could be used, the mean of a sampling distribution is going to be 68, and our standard deviation of the sampling distribution is going to be equal to 16 divided by the square root of 10. And if we toss that into a calculator, we get ourselves a value of about 5.06. So this references this area here. So a mean of 68. And we want this to be less than 72.4. So with a standard deviation of 5.06, this should be about here-ish, let's say. And we want the area to the left of that number. So that being all of this here in red. Okay. So writing this out, this would be the probability of X bar being less than 72.4. Inside of Excel, that's norm.dist of 72.4, 68, 5.06, and true. But once we type that into Excel, so equals norm.dist of 72.4, 68, 5.06, and true. But typing that in, we get ourselves a value of about 0.8077. So 0.8077.